Margarita Orange Flare is a beautiful African daisy. I love how my painting turned out to look somewhat similar to this orange flare. The spectacular burst of orange, yellow, and chocolate gold is one of a kind. I really enjoyed making this one. You guys will love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to do a beautiful flower. I'll be working with the colors orange, yellow, and a custom made chocolate gold. I just mix gold with some chocolate and get a color combination. So I'm just doing some puddles here. No particular form. I'm just putting some paint on the canvas. I'll be doing like some circles, some puddles. So just check it out, guys. It's somewhat different. I was just really playing around with these colors just to see what they would turn out to be, and actually I do love it. So check it out. The colors I'm using will be listed in the description below. Thanks. just check out the close-up of the wet result. You know what, I love it. At first when I did it, I was a bit disappointed because I really wanted it to be somewhat symmetrical, somewhat similar to what I've done in my previous videos. But you know what, guys, this is art, and you know, everything won't work out to be the same all the time. So I love it. I just love the color combination, and that's why I really call this my my burst, my Margarita orange flare burst. You know, it's actually like a burst. It's really open up, and I do love it. And yeah, I hope you guys love it too. Yes, it's different, but it's beautiful. And of course, here's a dried result. It's beautiful. I mean, I love those spiky edges, you know, from the yellow. Like, it's amazing. And you know, the contrast that that custom made chocolate gold, as I called it, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful with the yellow, and I mean the orange and the red. Yes, I did add red. I'm sorry I didn't mention that earlier, but I did add some red. Yeah, it's wonderful. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Like and share my videos with your friends and family. Don't forget to also check out my playlist, and I will see you next time. Bye.